Hey there, welcome to Makers TV. I have forgotten to put my microphone in, but I think it's clearer without it, so we'll go with that. So hello, I'm Michaela, and today I'm here to tell you about Makers BIZ, which is an online summit for makers and creatives to help you sell your products online. As I just said, I'm Michaela of themakerscollective.com.au, and I usually publish weekly episodes delivering short, sharp, actionable lessons to strengthen your brand and grow your business. But today is a little bit different because tomorrow I'll be going live with Deb from tizit.co for about an hour doing a free workshop. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about that now so you guys have the chance to join in on that free workshop if you so desire. And I'll be talking all about how you can improve your graphics to be able to sell your products, and with one simple trick. And I'm actually going to tell you what that trick is today because you don't need to wait until tomorrow to figure that out. So just quickly, I'll put this up. So I'm speaking at Makers BIZ, and Makers BIZ is an online summit which basically has started this Monday. It started on Monday, it's Thursday now, and, well, it started on Monday in Australia, in the States. So anyway, the timing's a little bit weird, but it's been going all week, and you can still jump on it now. You can join at any time. Basically, there's sessions every single day, and they're free to watch for 48 hours, but they go away behind like a paywall after the 48 hours. So if you wanted to watch the ones from the very beginning, they're still free at the moment, but I think they're getting locked down soon. So jump on that as soon as you can to be able to watch those ones for free. There's over 30 amazingly way way better people than I am talking at the summit, doing all their individual workshops, and they have loads of good information to share. So I definitely recommend jumping on that if you want to, and I've put the link in the description of this video. So yeah, my session is tomorrow, which is Friday, at 10 a.m. and Makers BIZ is kind of a huge deal. I think there was 5,000 participants last year, and they're expecting it to be even bigger this year. So last year I did a pre-recorded session on photography, which was awesome. It was really fun. But this year we're doing it live. So we're doing a live session. So there's no, last year I had stuffed up heaps of times, and Deb had to edit the video and cut it down. This time we're doing it completely live. And as I've said in my latest, last week's letter that I sent out to everyone on my letter list, I'm cool with live videos. As you can see here, I'm doing live. No one's on at the moment, but that's totally fine. Hello, replay people. I'm cool with live because it saves time. I don't have to edit anything, and I don't stuff up as much, I guess. I don't know. It's just like having a normal conversation with you, which is really nice. That's kind of what I thrive on. But I've never done it to gazillions of people before, so that is new, and I'm not really nervous, but I probably will be tomorrow at 9:55 when I sort of think about how many people are going to be watching live. So I would love to have you there so you can give me a little bit of encouragement, hopefully, and so I can sort of see some virtual familiar faces in the crowd. So if you do want to jump on and watch that live workshop, that would be awesome. And the link is below to sign up for that free 1-hour workshop. So today I'm going to tell you what the secret is that I'll be talking about tomorrow. Basically, we're talking about how to make your graphics pop and also just be effective to your customers. And there's usually one sort of mistake that most people make. Most people new to business and most newbie graphic designers, and I see this all the time with my students at the university where I lecture graphic design, most of them make this mistake, and the mistake is, it's a secret, it's not really, it's about typography. So even if you get your images and your colors and all that kind of stuff right in your graphics, if you choose the wrong font, you could be sending the entirely wrong message to your people, and then they just won't they won't listen because they don't think it's for them. The other danger is, of course, just making your graphics look really amateur, and people then don't think you're professional. So in the workshop tomorrow, I'm going to give you some really good tips on how you can sort of learn about the different personality of different typefaces, and I'm going to go through a whole demonstration on Canva, the free image editing software, to show you how you can get the personality right, no matter what your business is. We're going to go through a few different examples of sort of like minimalist design and a like more bohemian hippie type design, and a couple of other ones as well. Yeah, so that's all about the workshop tomorrow. As I said, this live video today is quite different from my others. It's less rehearsed. And I actually just wanted to talk about, just for a second, a bit of personal stuff. So it's not super interesting, but it was my anniversary on Monday, and Tuesday rather, and my husband and I both kind of forgot. Like, I was telling him all, weeks leading in advance. I always be like, it's 2 weeks to anniversary, it's our anniversary on Monday, Tuesday, whatever. And then I just kept forgetting. My mum gave us flowers. She's so lovely. And she also gives us a present every single year. And she brought us cakes to have. Because I was working all day at uni. I was working from like 9:30 till 8, pretty much. So we couldn't do anything for our anniversary, but that's fine. But Mum had little cakes in the fridge ready for when we got home, which was so beautiful. She's awesome. And yeah, the other thing I was just going to say is, like, toddlers not sleeping kind of sucks. I got an Apple Watch for Christmas, and I've been tracking my sleep. Does anyone else do that? Do you track your sleep? I don't know. Sometimes I think it makes it a little bit worse, like knowing how little sleep you're getting. But I find it good because then I think I don't get sleep, and then I am getting a bit of sleep. Anyway, last night I got 5.5 hours sleep with like an hour in the middle and awake. And I shouldn't be complaining because obviously anyone with a newborn or insomnia, it has it much worse than me, but it's just like it's been a hectic week. So I guess wanted to not really apologize, but just sort of explain why this particular live video is a little bit less rehearsed, because I am still preparing for tomorrow's workshop as well. But yeah, so that's why there's no like actual lesson for this one, because if you join tomorrow, there'll be a whole like hour to an hour and a half free workshop, which I would love for you to join. And I have actually a couple of little like bonuses to give away if you end up upgrading. So in the Makers Biz Summit, you can watch everything for free for 48 hours. But if you then decide to upgrade, there's an option to buy like a lifetime pass, so you can watch all of the sessions and workshops whenever you like for as long as you like. And if you end up doing that through my link, where I will get a commission, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's just like a referral fee, I guess, like it's an affiliate commission. But if you do that through my link, I'm going to, where are we? This guy, wow, that was awkward. That guy, that's the Makers Academy. If you sign up for the All Access Pass for the Makers Biz, I'm going to give you 2 months free access to the Makers Academy. So it's a good chance to sort of try it out and see if the Academy is for you. And yeah, so that's just the bonus that I'm giving away if you sign up through my link. And also, if you come to the session tomorrow, you will also get my... Oh my gosh, it's like mirrored. It's really hard. How do people do that so easily? Where's my hands? There. You'll get my ebook for free. You can download that. So that's the ebook that I sell on the Makers Academy site. I think I sell it for, it's $9, something like that. But you can grab it for free if you join my session tomorrow in Makers Biz. So that is basically it, guys. I want to thank you so much for hanging around. Just turn this guy off. There we go. Thank you so much for joining me, and yeah, there was not really a lesson today, but as I've been saying again and again, if you join tomorrow, the Makers Biz free workshop will be an hour just talking about graphic design and how to get your typography really on point. So if that's something you're interested in learning, then definitely jump onto that. And if you want more help with your business, with your graphics and strengthening your brand to grow your business, you might consider joining the Makers Academy membership, which is a membership for makers and creatives like yourself who want to learn how to sell your stuff so you can replace your 9-to-5 job with something you're more excited about. So you can go to the link below or just jump onto www.themakers.academy for more info. So thanks so much, guys. If you think the Makers Biz Summit would be really valuable for anyone else, please do feel free to share that link. Anyone who signs up through my link and ends up getting that pass will get the bonus from me. And yeah, hopefully you find it helpful. Honestly, like even without signing up to the Access Pass last year, I just sort of joined in whenever I could throughout the week to listen to the sessions, and they're so valuable. Like it's all the people who are speaking besides me are like total heavyweight hitters in the handmade industry. So it's definitely worthwhile joining in as much as you can during the week. That's it from me. I went over 10 minutes, but only by a minute. So thank you so much, guys, and I will be back next week getting back into the core strengths of your business and an actionable lesson for you. Thank you. See ya.